Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to take off the front bumper and grille. In last week's video we painted the grille. You can see it made a massive difference.
So the first job is to jack up the TT. Now the wheel's off the ground, we take out the centre cap and take off the front wheel. So coming down underneath the bumper, first thing is to undo this screw here, and there's a corresponding one on the far side. Mine wouldn't undo, they're Phillips, but the screw just started to destroy itself. So I took an angle grinder, cut a big long slot in it, and then use a good heavy duty flat blade screwdriver. I was able to get it undone. So keep watching to the end of the video where you get a sneak preview of next week's video. Okay, so next we undo little clips or little screws. One here, one here, one here, one here. And if you can get to it, one up here, but my one's spinning, so I'm just going to work around it. And underneath this, there's one here and one here. So now that all the screws have been undone on the wheel arch, we can pull the wheel arch back. And in here, there's one screw, it's a 10mm, and there's the other 10mm. And you'll need a deep socket to do that one, and maybe a little tiny ratchet, a little tiny socket to that one to get in tight enough, because the intercooler gets in the way a little bit. If you go at a certain angle, you can kind of get it. So I got one on the far side with the ordinary half-inch socket, with a deep-inch socket, and this side I had to go with the little narrow 3/8 socket. Okay, now here at the top of the bumper, we have two clips here, two clips there. There's one at either end as well. You can leave them. That'll allow the trim to slide back, exposing 6 of these T30s. So that's the T30 there, and we're going to undo each of these, and that'll allow us to pull the bumper finally off the car.
And that's how the front bumper attaches to the front of the car.
Okay, after undoing a load of clips, so there's clips along the top, there's clips along the bottom. They look like little butterfly clips that clip onto these little nipples. So once I did them, the grill comes out. So that's a little bit WD-40 just spilled on it, but yeah. That's the grill now out. I have the new grill going back in. So that's now all pushed up. The clips here are all pushed in, and you just give them a little twist, so they just push out like that. Down here at the bottom you can see the corresponding little nipple, and there's a little butterfly or a little wedge that goes on top of all of this. So that's to go on next. And that's basically how the grill attaches to the front bumper. Okay, and that's now how it looks with the freshly painted black grille. That looks amazing. I love it.